Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming two essentials: a Google account and a verified site or domain so Adsense can map earnings. Once you have that, sign up for Adsense and accept the program policies. Make sure your payment profile is accurate. Next, choose the search product: auto ads for simplicity or custom search engine for control. Begin creating a CSE or enabling search ads in Adsense right away so tracking and indexing can start immediately. Now configure your custom search engine in detail. Create a new CSE and list the domains or specific pages you want searched. This focuses results and relevance. Customize the interface, refinements, and crucially the ad settings so ads are served correctly and comply with your layout. Once your settings are final, generate the HTML/JS search code snippet and decide where it will live in your site templates. Deploying the code will let search traffic. Finish by placing the CSE or Adsense search code on your live pages and test search functionality across browsers and devices. Once done, verify the Adsense account link and monitor Google Search Console for indexing, crawl errors, or blocked resources that could hinder results. If ads or earnings do not appear, clear caches, inspect console errors, confirm there are no policy violations, and review your Adsense approval status. Contact support only after these steps to provide precise diagnostics and accelerate resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.